In this tutorial you can learn how to quick add shadow within 1 minute. So, let's start now. Firstly, open your Photoshop and go to new page 1280 by 720 resolution 300. Then open your image, select move tool and move this image to another document page. Press Ctrl T and resize. I just use gradient fill background. You can use any background, just move your image to your background. Now select your image layer and press Ctrl J for layer. Copy this layer for its shadow, hold Ctrl and click on this shadow leg and click on this shadow layer. Now select your background color is black and press Ctrl backspace for apply this black color. Drag your shadow layer under your image layer, then press Ctrl T and now hold Ctrl and transform your shadow. When comes to white arrow, then transform. Now go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur for your shadow more realistic. Now finally opacity decreases low. Now this shadow is perfect.